Every kitchen renovation eventually reaches the same difficult decision. You have to choose the surface where you will chop, spill, and cook for the next 20 years. Most people choose based on color, but functionality is what actually matters when the cleaning starts. Some of the most expensive stones stain within minutes of contact with lemon juice, while cheaper industrial materials withstand almost anything. In 2026, surface technology has advanced to a point where the old rules no longer apply. We are going to rank the 10 most popular countertop materials from least to most functional. Number 10 is likely the material that defined your childhood kitchen. Laminate remains the most affordable option on the market, but its functionality score suffers by modern standards. Laminate is essentially layers of craft paper and resin fused together and topped with a photographic print. Modern high-definition printing makes it look surprisingly like wood or stone, but the physical limitations are clear. You cannot place a hot pan on it without melting the resin, and scratch damage is permanent. You cannot buff out a cut in laminate, so you simply replace the entire slab. It resists stains well enough, but structurally, it is the weakest option available. Next is marble, a stone associated with luxury, but surprisingly poor for daily function. Geologically, marble is a metamorphic rock derived from limestone, meaning it is composed mostly of calcium carbonate. This makes it incredibly soft and chemically reactive. If you spill wine, vinegar, or tomato sauce on unsealed marble, it etches and physically dissolves the top layer of the stone. Marble sits at a low 3 or 4 on the Mohs scale, so a steel knife slices right into it. It offers a cool surface for rolling pastry dough, but the tendency to scratch and chip makes it a high-maintenance choice for a busy family kitchen. Wood countertops, or butcher block, offer a warmth that stone cannot match, but that look comes with a strict chore list. Wood is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs and releases moisture based on the humidity of your home. This creates a constant battle against warping, rot, and bacteria in a kitchen environment. You must oil butcher block frequently to prevent it from drying out and cracking, sometimes as often as once a month. You can sand out scratches, unlike laminate, but the surface is soft enough that dents happen daily. It demands that you treat your countertop like a piece of fine furniture, rather than a workspace. Solid surface, often known by the brand name Corian, was considered the future of countertops in the 1970s. It is an acrylic-based material with one massive functional advantage, in that it is non-porous and completely seamless. You can integrate a sink directly into the counter with no gaps for grime to hide. Because it is plastic, it has a dangerously low heat tolerance. Placing a hot pot directly on solid surface leaves a scorch mark that no amount of scrubbing can remove. It also scratches white easily, though you can sand these scratches out, unlike laminate. It is hygienic and repairable, but the inability to handle heat keeps it in the bottom half of our list. Concrete countertops are polarizing because their functionality depends entirely on who makes them. Since they are often poured on site or custom cast, consistency varies wildly. Concrete is extremely porous by nature, so it soaks up oil and wine like a sponge without a high-quality industrial sealer. It is also prone to hairline fractures as the house settles or temperatures change. It is heat-resistant and very hard, but the maintenance required to keep it stain-free is heavy. You have to wax and seal it regularly, just like wood. It offers a rugged industrial look, but it is surprisingly sensitive to everyday kitchen abuse for a material that looks so tough. Soapstone is a geological anomaly that ranks higher on function than you might expect. It is a metamorphic rock composed largely of talc, which makes it incredibly dense and non-porous. You do not need to seal soapstone because it is chemically inert, which is why science labs use it for tables. Acids, alkalis, and tomato sauce have zero effect on it. The downside is that talc is soft, so soapstone scratches and nicks very easily. Over time, the edges soften and the surface accumulates a patina of scratches. Some homeowners love this living finish, but functionally, it means your countertop will never look new again after the first week of use. It handles heat perfectly, but it surrenders to a sharp knife. There is a reason every restaurant kitchen in the world uses stainless steel. It is nearly perfect from a functional standpoint. It is impervious to heat, water, bacteria, and stains. You can set a pan straight from the oven onto the steel without a second thought. Cleaning involves nothing more than a wet cloth and a sanitizer. The downsides become glaring in a residential setting because it is loud. Dropping a spoon creates a clamor. It scratches immediately and visibly, developing a chaotic patina of swirls, and it shows every single fingerprint. It is functionally indestructible, but keeping it looking pristine is impossible. This knocks it out of the top 3 for the average homeowner. Granite was the undisputed champion of countertops for decades. It is an igneous rock formed from cooling magma, giving it incredible hardness and heat resistance. You can put hot pots on granite all day long without damage. It scores a 6 or 7 on the hardness scale, so it resists scratches from most kitchen utensils. The only reason it sits at number 3 today is porosity. As a natural stone, it has microscopic channels that absorb liquids if the sealer wears off. You need to reseal granite every year or two to maintain stain resistance. It is a powerhouse of durability, but that small requirement for ongoing maintenance keeps it from the top spot in 2026. Quartz, or engineered stone, solves the biggest problem of granite, which is porosity. Manufacturers take crushed quartz crystals, one of the hardest minerals on Earth, and bind them with resin. The result is a surface that is harder than granite and completely non-porous. You never have to seal it. It resists stains better than almost any natural stone and offers consistent patterns that nature cannot replicate. But it has one functional weakness involving the resin. The plastic binders that hold the quartz together scorch at temperatures above 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It is the top, low-maintenance choice for cleaning and durability, but you still need a trivet for your hot pans. This limitation keeps it in second place. The most functional countertop in 2026 is sintered stone. This material is often grouped with ultra-compact surfaces and is the result of accelerating geological processes. Manufacturers take natural minerals and subject them to extreme heat and pressure, fusing them without any resin binders. They use over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit and 25,000 tons of weight. The result is a surface that is exceptionally tough. It is harder than quartz, so it won't scratch, and it is completely non-porous, so it won't stain. It is also completely heat-proof, unlike quartz. You can torch it, and nothing happens. It is difficult to fabricate and expensive to install, but nothing beats it regarding daily function. It is the closest thing to a perfect surface that technology has ever created. Choosing a countertop is always a balance between the look you want and the maintenance you can tolerate. Marble and wood offer beauty, but materials like sintered stone and quartz have engineered the frustration out of kitchen ownership. In 2026, you no longer have to sacrifice durability for design. The modern kitchen is more functional than ever before, whether you choose sintered stone or quartz. Subscribe for more honest reviews of building materials if this video helped you avoid a costly renovation mistake. Choosing a countertop is always a balance between the look you want and the maintenance you can tolerate. Marble and wood offer beauty, but materials like sintered stone and quartz have engineered the frustration out of kitchen ownership. In 2026, you no longer have to sacrifice durability for design. The modern kitchen is more functional than ever before, whether you choose sintered stone or quartz. Subscribe for more honest reviews of building materials if this video helped you avoid a costly renovation mistake.